Water meter in Sunninghill. Damaged? This is a new water meter at 22 Armitage Court in Sunninghill. Unfortunately, it looks as though a vehicle has put its wheel on it and pushed it down. So I hope that won't have caused problems. 22 Armitage Court, guarded by a fierce cat and other things, where GPS was tested in late 1980. And of course there's a valuable bit of garden sculpture that was given to Robin by June for her birthday present. Robot boats. I suppose the significant things are the cameras and warning signs. Make sure you read the small print. That's it. Other than to say, what I will in a moment, there's the cat sleeping on duty. So all it remains to say is look after yourselves, stay safe and enjoy life while you can.